Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the double color exposure effect. The first thing you need to do is import the two objects that you want to put the effect on. This can be two pictures of the same model, two pictures of two different models, two of the same pictures, whatever you choose. I chose two different pictures of the same model. The first thing you want to do is make sure that these photos do not have a background. If your subject does have a background, using the object selection tool, you can select your subject, and by pressing Command J and deleting the layer underneath, you can remove the background. Now that we have two objects that don't have a background, I'm going to place one on top of the other. I'm going to place this right one on top of the left one. Now I'm going to select the top layer, go to Effects, Blending Options, and I'm going to disable the red channel. Then you can move it how you want to make sure that you're getting the desired effect, and by going to Adjustment Layers and going to Color Balance, you can adjust the colors of the picture so you can get the more desired effect. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.